פרק חס הלוך הגיון, בזמן הזה אינו אימא ועלילה הזה כולו אצלי שאין לו כולו קורבן. You don't say כולו אצלי שאין לו קורבן, מאסו בגנוז וקורא עד שגויים דרש פרשס ארמי עובד אובי כולו. בזמן הזה אינו אימא ועלילה הזה כולו אצלי, אין לו קורבן. So the view of the Rambam is in Halacha base. And Beis HaMikdash was Kaim. The son of the Mosdos in shiur Shemachal Nesher HaGadol Bostoner Rebbe Shelo look it's Kemuvushu. I was like, cool, it's shlit. As Mezeh Shem Nakom Pesach, we don't have a shiur from Hashayim Shona. If we don't ask it, even though technically we don't eat shlit, but that's it says not a proof of anything. Master begnutzt wir können allgemeine Goyim Drosh Drash Parsh Rami Vidovi Kulo. Zayin will explain this about Rucha. He just brought it to tell you the Seder of the mitzvahs according to the, and therefore he was Mekatza. Right. Machzia Shulchan the following. He returns the Shulchan in front of him. This is Halacha Dalet. Sha'ana Echlin. Well, this Pesach that we're eating. Al Shem Sheposach Ha'emokim Al Botri Aviseinu Mitzrayim. So we're going to learn below here that we're going. When does he bring back the Kaira? When you say Amiros Pesach Hamatzah Moa, and Yema Hamatzah Moa LeMesubin. So your Matzah Shalom from the Oima. That when the Beis HaMikdash was Kayim, Pesach was Shon Echel Al Shem Sheposach Ha'emokim Al Botri Aviseinu Mitzrayim. Shnei Hamadim Pesach Pesach Ul Hashem. This is after the Haggadah. Magbiya Moa Biyodei V'Oima Moa Shon Echel Al Shem. Shemar Mitzrayim is Chayei V'Seinu Mitzrayim. Shenema V'Yimo is Chayeihem. Magbiya Matzah V'Yodei Matzah Shon Echel Al Shem Shlo Yispeak B'Tzeikom Shlo Yispeak Ma'achim Mitzad Shenigla Aleim Olam Ha'olam V'Ribohu V'Olam Miyad Shenema Mayoif was at Botek Shoyitzim Mitzrayim Hilchos Chametz. When you put the bring back the Kaira? The Rambam's words would seem you bring it back. He says, Pesach Zeh. He's saying you only return after you read the whole Haggadah. Because right before, Master knows that Arami Ovidovi. And only over here you write that he gives it back before he says Pesach Zeh. But the Chava writes, and when he starts Avod Mayinu, that's when you bring back the Kaira. As the matzah, and he reads the Haggadah with the Kaira in front of him. And when he gets to matzah, he says, "Tzor like biyoy, aroisoy." In other words, when we get to the matzah, the mesubim shechatechavev hamitzvah olayim. According to him, it must be at the beginning of our Haggadah, like we actually do. We leave it all the time in front of us, but we touch it. We touched it a few times during the Seder, even while we're saying the Haggadah. On three things you say, it's written in Perek Zayin. So first is Pesach before Matzah. Rae Gann writes, what he writes here, Magbiya Hamora. The Matzah doesn't mean they should do it in that Seder, because Benusach Haggadah he writes Koidim Matzah Zeh Al Shemo, Akach Moa Zeh Al Shemo. First you say Matzah before Moa. Here he says the Seder Mishnah, going to the text of the Rosh and the Rif, and that first he picks up the Moa, then the Matzah. Because that was the Siddur Mishnah what did it, because Hamor is Zechel Shibur, it makes sense, and the Matzah is Zechel Gu'ulosh that comes afterwards. Bizman hazeh mepesach she'aviseinu oichlin bizman she'Beis HaMikdash Kayim al Shem she'posach HaKadosh Baruch Hu avot aviseinu. And that's the Seder of the Nusach in the Haggadah. As he mentioned earlier, you don't point the Pesach when you're saying Pesach Zu, because we have a Zorya Zechel Pesach, it's only Zechel Pesach. Rae Gann writes, and when he says Pesach Zeh, he doesn't pick up the Bostoner because of Zechel Pesach, because it looks like he's bringing up Kodshim Rechutz, only the Morah and the Matzah. to show them to the Mesubit. Chamet Paskins, he gets the matzah, he has to pick it up, and to Chavim HaMitzvah Aleim, so it's V'chein Kishemagi Lamoro. The Ramor writes, Kishemagi HaMatzah Yesh LaHagbiya Men HaMatzah Hapuso. You have to have the lechem oini, the poor matzah, or the lechem that you say on many things. So the Mishnah Berurah adds, Kisheyagir LePesach, Sheyavasinu Oichlim, you should not hold in his hands the bosa. Everyone leaves it out. Shehu Zeich LePesach, Shanira Shehegdishoy LePesach. So the Mishnah Berurah brings this down as if, to remind you, it would seem like he was Magdashit for Pesach.